Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, admin rights and the app name. Once ready, press Windows plus R and type Shell Startup to open your user startup folder. Make sure to also open Shell Common Startup to check system-wide shortcuts. These two folders are the usual place a shortcut lives that launches an app on login. Once the folders are visible, you can immediately locate any shortcut matching the app name and prepare to remove it. This is the first actionable step toward preventing the app from opening automatically. Now remove the shortcut. Right-click and delete or drag it to the recycle bin. That stops the file-based startup trigger. Once done, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable the app if it still appears. This prevents registry-based auto-start. Next, open Task Scheduler and inspect any scheduled tasks that might launch the program at login or on triggers. Disable or delete those tasks. Together, these steps handle the common persistence points that cause an app to open automatically. Finish by rebooting and verifying the app no longer opens at login. This confirms you removed the effective shortcut. If the shortcut reappears, make sure the app itself isn't recreating it. Open the app settings for any create shortcut, or start with Windows options and disable them, or check for an updater or installer process that runs at login. If issues persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling with correct options or updating the app. That single troubleshooting tip usually stops automatic recreation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.